Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Ste-Anne-du-Ruisseau is a small coastal community located in the municipality of Argyll in Yarmouth County, Nova Scotia. Situated along the southwestern coast of the province, the community is known for its Acadian heritage, rural character, and strong connection to the Atlantic Ocean. The area combines a rich cultural history with a landscape of forests, rivers, and rugged coastline that has shaped local life for generations. The population of Ste-Anne-du-Ruisseau is relatively small, with only a few hundred residents living within the community and surrounding area. Like many rural communities in southwestern Nova Scotia, families often have deep roots here, with some tracing their ancestry back several centuries. The history of Ste-Anne-du-Ruisseau is closely tied to the Acadian people. French settlers established communities throughout this part of Nova Scotia during the early 1700s. Following the expulsion of the Acadians in the mid-18th century, many Acadian families eventually returned to southwestern Nova Scotia and rebuilt their settlements. Their language, culture, and traditions remain visible throughout the region today. The name Ste-Anne-du-Ruisseau translates to Saint Anne of the Stream, reflecting both the area's French heritage and its natural surroundings. French continues to be spoken by many residents, and Acadian culture remains a defining feature of community life. Fishing has long been one of the most important industries in the area. Lobster fishing, groundfish harvesting, and other commercial fisheries have supported local families for decades. The nearby coastline provides access to productive fishing grounds that contribute significantly to the economy of southwestern Nova Scotia. Many residents are employed directly in fishing or in businesses that support the fishing industry. The natural environment is one of the area's most notable features. Forests, wetlands, streams, and coastal habitats provide homes for a variety of wildlife. Residents and visitors often enjoy birdwatching, hiking, boating, fishing, and exploring the surrounding countryside. The nearby coastline offers scenic views of the Atlantic Ocean and reflects the strong maritime character of the region. Housing in Ste-Anne-du-Ruisseau is generally more affordable than in larger urban centres across Canada. Average home prices in the surrounding area are often found in the range of approximately $250,000 to $350,000. Properties located near the coast or on larger parcels of land may command higher prices, while older homes can often be found for less. Today, Ste-Anne-du-Ruisseau remains a small but vibrant community where history, culture, and the natural environment come together. Its Acadian roots, connection to the fishing industry, and beautiful coastal setting continue to shape life in the area. While modest in population, the community represents an important part of the cultural and historical fabric of southwestern Nova Scotia. Thanks for watching!